Once I started making chicken like this, I don't want to try another one. In a container, add 500 grams of chicken fillet, 200 grams of sour cream, 1 teaspoon of sweet paprika, 1 teaspoon of oregano, pepperoni to taste, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 egg, and juice from a lemon. With the help of a spoon, let's mix very well. That done, let's take the chicken to the refrigerator for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, in a container, add 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, black pepper to taste, 1 teaspoon of sweet paprika. Now just mix up. Take the chicken and bread it in this flour. Doing this, just repeat the process until all the chicken pieces are covered. Put to fry in oil at medium temperature. Fry every 3 pieces so that the oil is neither too cold nor too hot. After a while, just turn the fillet to brown on the other side. Guys, honestly, there's no way to resist this chicken. You just want to make a chicken like this. Finishing the frying, just put the oil on a paper towel to drain. Guys, look at our chicken. Do it at your home, that I'm sure everyone will love it. Make it for your lunch or dinner, that I know it will be a hit. I hope you enjoyed. This was another little recipe here from the Poor in the Kitchen. That strong hug, until the next time, and thanks for watching.